Hello, welcome back to GhanaFuntube. How are you doing today? Guess what I have here? I have watch it in front of me. It's lunchtime. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to eat like a Ghanaian, how to eat with your hand and eat properly. Because eating with your hand, I think it have a different feeling. It gives you that kick, that vimness when you eat it, licking your hand. So today's video, I want to focus, I want to teach you, I want you to learn. First, we have to wash our hand. Yeah, so let's wash our hand. So just bear with me a second, let me move the camera so that I can see how I'm going to wash my hand. Okay, so here's the water. So I'm going to wash my hand very clean. Yeah. Let me move this camera a little bit. We don't have the wide angle, so just bear with me. Okay. Alright, I have two cameras. I have one recording the food and I also have another one recording me washing my hand. So now we finished washing, my hand is clean. I haven't been out, so I'm still clean. So here's the food. Can you see the food? It's pretty amazing, right? Don't judge me, I eat a lot. Yeah, that's why I'm chubby. Right, so we're going to eat the food now. Alright, so first thing first, here is my wache. I'm going to make sure the wache is kind of, what's the right word? Yeah, just mix it with the gari and the shito. So you can see how I'm doing it, right? On the camera. So what I have here, actually I have fish and I have lamb, roasted lamb, and I also have shito and also have a stew that I made. You probably see on one of my videos when I'm making my first attempt actually. So as a Ghanaian, you know, my first attempt. I'm not professional, but my first attempt making watches. So just give me some thumb up, you know, give me some vim. Right, so let's enjoy this food. Oh God, my throat. Oh my God, I'm hungry right now. All right. So my first one, you have to make sure you scoop the wache. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, have a little shito, a little stew. Now it's going in. So we watch it. You can chew. It's not like fufu where you have to swallow. So it's very delicious. I cook it, so it's very delicious. If it wasn't delicious, I won't be having it 3 days continuous. Oh my God. The music you can hear in the background is from Epidemic Sounds. They do amazing music. Oh, this video, there won't be any color grading in this video. You can see, oh my God. Oh my God. Do you think I can do my Gwen impression? Let's see. Oh my God. So that's the lamb. I'm going to try my fried fish. I also cook this, you know. Alright, so here's my fish. And here's my wache, my stew with shito all together. And then I'm going to mix it all inside. Are you from a country where they eat with their hand? Please do let me know in the comment section. Do you think eating with hand is better with some food like wache or aklen or fufu or any other food from your country? Please do let me know. Oh my God, this fish is divine. Oh, look at that. Look. If this was weekend, I'll be having some alomo beaches or some atio with this. But I have my fish here, which is going to give me a lot of nutrients. I like fresh fish. I like roast fish as well, but I don't know how to roast it. But I know fried fish, as soon as I clean the fish, so that's it. That's how you eat with your hand. And if you know anybody from Ghana, Nigeria, Africa, or where they eat with their hand, please comment below and share your experience with eating with hand. Thank you so much. Let me take time to enjoy my lunch. If this video is very, very useful for you, please give the video a like. Bam! That's the energy even when we eat it. Thank you very much. Bye for now.